Hi folks, I have nothing to drink, so this is going to be a quick one. I did get my vineyard check shirt. Okay, thank you girls. Uncle Alan's been a little busy. Now Uncle Alan does time traveling and other fun stuff, and Uncle Alan's really tired and also sick and a little crazy. Okay, first thing, please check out these people. Everybody prays for Becky right here. I believe she has probably respiratory syndrome virus. I don't know. It's RSV. Is it V or P or something like that? I'm not keeping a track. Uncle Alan's kind of tired, really, because Uncle Alan's been really busy and I got to check on a few things. That's why I have phoned this one. People complain on the video fire. It's cool. I only use electricity. There's no heat or smoke. And I like a fire, even in the summer. Okay? So make sure you check out those folks. And please pray for Becky. Becky Stiles needs your prayers. So please pray for our friend Becky Stiles. If you know her, spread the word. Send her some good stuff in mail calls. Help Becky out. This is supporting Becky Stiles. And she's in my prayer circle. I just did a big prayer with online, connecting people. We all prayed for our friend and sister, Becky Stiles. So let's take a moment and pray. Okay. Thank you, folks, for praying for Becky Stiles. Because everybody else, I don't think they're praying or they don't pray hard enough. Uncle Alan prays hard enough. I got scabs on her knees. Okay? And I believe in the power of prayer, unlike HC or Hubble's cat. Yeah, we like science. Yeah, next thing you see a bone through his nose and he's shaking a rattle during his rounds. Please check out these videos, these people right here. CAMPPATTON's Family Compound, coming up on Friday. Corsair Strain did a real good video today on local knowledge books. Everything you know about your area. Uncle Alan knows a lot of his area, and also all the poison water holes. It's like my idiot nephew. Oh, let's go swim in the creek. And I said, it's melted snow water. Let me check out the thing. Before I could come back, those idiots jumped into the creek. And I told them, wait right here. And I washed them down with soap, with dial soap. And I said, did you drink any of the water or put it in your mouth? And then we did the hydrogen peroxide and spit it out. I told him, I found 2 deer carcasses bloated upstream. This is why I tell people, before you go and let's fill it up with our delicious mountain water and gulp it down. Check your surroundings. Don't be a boob, all right? After I washed them all down, make sure there's nothing wrong with them. I swear to God, young people, you're trying to kill yourself. I said, don't go into water until I check out the surroundings. What happened if it was a car full of dead people? That fresh mountain water. No. So please go watch the video by Corsair Trainer. He knows what he's talking about. That's why I send everybody to Steve's channel, because I'm tired and I'm old. Old School Prepper, check out her gardening projects, very good. Palmetto Prepared did a wonderful 10 easy plants for the summer for you preppers to grow. Real easy, real stupid, and fits in his area. Okay, the Ungrateful Peasant, caught up to the 21st century. Good, Wayne. Go check out his video. And don't forget Gray Man Prepping and Garden State Gardener. That's Joe's channel. Please help support him. It costs money to send out seeds and other things. And don't forget Dave at Southern Ohio Prepping. Yes, I know about yesterday, and that's Dave's point of view. Okay? I agree with some of his points. I disagree with others. But Dave's pretty good, and he's pretty knowledgeable about the Bible. So if you want to check out Southern Ohio Prepping. And also I put this in. Big tech hates three things in the world: gun owners, Jews, and preppers. They hate those three. If you're a conservative Jew, they hate you worse. They're trying to destroy Israel. All big tech up north in Silicon Valley with the help of the evil Chinese. And then we got number 2, gun owners. They hate private gun ownerships. Why? Because they hate Jews, and they hate gun-owning Jews who are conservative. Okay? Do you get what I'm trying to tell you, folks? All right? Big tech hates conservative Jews, gun owners, hates them all. If you think for yourself, they hate you. You want to be a drone, a robot, a part in their evil machine. Well, Uncle Alan's here, and Uncle Alan knows how to handle aliens and crazed billionaires with their evil plans. And no, I'm not going to use a gun. I got several stakes, 14 inches of hand-turned wooden stakes through the heart, and probably I cut off their heads too. I can't tell if they're aliens or vampires or whatever. That would kill them. Okay, I don't tell anybody to use a source of violence. Wait until next year, 2023. Then it's okay. Please check out Urban Grandpa Prepper, Race Channel. And Second Star Video, Matt did a live stream today. Everybody please check him out. On Ray, yes, I tell you about the UFO. Their report is bull. Okay? You want to hear Uncle Alan's report, I'm going to do a VR for Ray, Urban Grandpa Prepper, of my viewpoints on UFOs. Okay? Easy as pie, not bullshit. Well, you know what I mean. But it'll tell you what's going on. Because a lot of people, they're in the dark, fed a lot of, boo-poo, and they tell you bits and pieces of stupid information. Please check out all these channels. I'm worried about my friends in England because they're going through a variant, and also something's coming up to disrupt the oil and also electricity, so you better stock up and you better prepare petrol and canned foods. And if you see my last video, I said thank you to the Vineyard Chicks for sending me that wonderful package. I hope you enjoy the package, girls, because I will send you another one for this time. I think it's Trey, and I'll be sending stuff. I got a list, but Uncle Alan's getting old, and when they scan my head, the spots in my head, the black spots, are getting bigger. So Uncle Alan's memories are slowing. I forget things. Check out Citizen Guardian. I would tell everybody to build solar stills because next 20 years, well, 19 years, South Africa is going to be, in trouble with drought. Now, if I got a system, if South Africa wants to listen and they send the money and somebody I could talk to, I could save South Africa. I can't save entire Africa. I could save South Africa, but that's it. Because a lot of you people don't understand how valuable water is. Okay? Then we got Courtney's channel, Courtney's and Dustin's channel, Wide Family Farm. Keep it clean, folks. Kids watch that channel. Ernie Hatmaker, great channel, always early in the morning. Go check her out. WD Glock and Roll. Check out his channel. Sorry, WD, you're going to have another week of 115 heat. Sherry's Frugal or Sherry. I have no idea, but please check out her channel. Ed's Attention to Detail. If you like modeling, go check out Ed, because I like crafts and modeling and stuff. Mostly I like machining, that's why I watch Bob 942 because I like to study in metalwork. People look at me, why metalwork, Uncle Al? Because Uncle Al has a hobby. I like to make things. If I could figure it out, and if I have the proper tools, I will do it. I don't like people, I like machinery. Okay, please check out these fine channel. Sorry, Patty, the Tinker's Wife, it's going to be hotter. And also Dustin's channel, Courtney's husband. Now, people have been asking me for years to solve the drought. And I keep telling them nobody will do it. You have to get the three sisters back in line. And they're all looking at me, what three sisters? Is it an easy thing? No, because you have to get rid of Bakersfield. And people are, well, we need Bakersfield. Then you're going to have a mega drought for the next 20 to 40 years. And that's going to go not only California, Washington, or Oregon. This kills everybody in Mexico and Pacific Canada. But it's fine. You don't want to listen to old Uncle Al. You made your bed, now sleep in it and stop bothering me. I could fix it right now. Not a problem. The drought will be over on the western half of the United States. But Captain Crazy and his crew doesn't want that. Okay? Very simple, plain English. I tell a lot of people, if you're smart, get out of California, Washington, and Oregon. Now. Okay? That's old stuff. You all know this one. And these guys are the new Gestapo. They should never have been around. I'm going to try to keep this short. Okay, folks, if you can, you can read it. I can't read it too good. My eyes are bad. It'll be in the description below when I get a chance to do it. Okay? Because I'm going old and tired. And I'll do the next one in a few minutes. So I'll catch you later, folks.